Why is nobody talking about the second in command to General Ojukwu in the Republic of Biafra, Effiong Phillip? Phillip Effiong was the first second in command to General Ojukwu in the Republic of Biafra. He became president of Biafra on the 8th of January to 12th of January 1970 after Ojukwu fled the country to avoid being captured and unalived by the Nigerian government. It was Phillip Effiong who handed over to the Nigerian government as was pre-planned by the Biafran authorities.
I, Major General Phillip Effiong, officer administering the government of the Republic of Biafra, now wish to make the following declaration. That we affirm we are loyal Nigerian citizens and accept the authority of the Federal Military Government of Nigeria. That we accept the existing administrative and political structure of the Federation of Nigeria. That any future constitutional arrangement will be worked out by representatives of the people of Nigeria. That the Republic of Biafra hereby ceases to exist.
According to Phillip Effiong during the speech, he said, if you fail to treat the surrendering Biafrans well, their kids will rise up and fight again. Phillip Effiong died at the age of 77 on the 6th of November 2003 in Aba, Abia State. One of his sons, Effiong Phillip Jr., wrote the book Nigeria's Uncivil War, Memories of a Biafran Child. With this story, tell me in the comments if you still believe that Akwa Ibom is not part of Biafra.